So namaskar दोस्तों. Today's question is 12.7 from aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. Question is very important because aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. These are the main reactions of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Every year there is at least one question from these two reactions. Okay, so let us I will read the question and then let you know how to proceed. Question is, which of the following compounds will undergo aldol condensation and which the Cannizzaro reaction and which neither? So write the structures of the expected products of aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. These are the compounds given. So first of all we should know the definition of aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction to carry out this particular reaction. See, aldol condensation, what is that? Aldol condensation, the compounds means the aldehydes or ketones having alpha hydrogen. Those aldehydes or ketones having alpha hydrogen undergo aldol condensation in the presence of dilute alkali like sodium hydroxide, dilute NaOH or dilute calcium hydroxide, right? So for example, in the presence of dilute NaOH to give beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone, and that is called aldol. See, it should be called beta hydroxyaldehyde is okay, it's aldol. So beta hydroxy ketone should be ketone, but both are known as aldol only. There is a OH group and aldehyde group, or OH group and ketone group, and on further heating or sometime without heating, there is elimination of water. On further heating gives alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or alpha beta unsaturated ketone, and this is called aldol condensation. Okay, so that means we should identify the aldehydes or ketones having alpha hydrogen. Those will undergo aldol condensation, those aldehydes or ketones. Now next, Cannizzaro reaction. What is Cannizzaro reaction? So in Cannizzaro reactions, it is given by those aldehydes, only aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen in the presence of concentrated sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide undergoes disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. to give corresponding alcohol and carboxylate, means sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid. So for Cannizzaro reaction, we have to identify those aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen. So first we will draw the structure of all the molecules. So first is methanol, 2-methyl pentanol. Okay, so methanol, this is methanol. Okay, 2-methyl pentanol, 1 2 3 4 5 pentanol, and at position 2-methyl, so 2-methyl pentanol. Okay, second one. Now third is, I will see from the book, 2-methyl pentanol, and then third is benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde is this is benzaldehyde. Fourth one, fourth is benzophenone. So benzene ring, C double bond O. This is benzophenone. Fifth one is cyclohexanone. Sorry. Cyclohexanone. That means cyclohexane attached to double bond O. So cyclohexanone, and then 1-phenylpropanone. 1-phenylpropanone. So 1 2 3 at one position, benzene ring, 1-phenylpropanone. So this is 1-phenylpropanone. Then seventh one is phenyl acetaldehyde. So see, acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, but at one position there is phenyl, so it is phenyl acetaldehyde. Now eighth one is butane 1-ol. CH2OH, CH2, CH2 and CH3. And ninth one is 2,2-dimethyl-butanol. 1 2 3 4. 2,2-dimethyl-butanol. So these are the structures of the molecules. So say in methanol, no alpha hydrogen, and it is an aldehyde. Second one, there is alpha carbon as well as alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen, it is again aldehyde. third one, I will write like this, okay. Now third one, no alpha hydrogen, and it is again aldehyde. Fourth one, no alpha hydrogen, and it is ketone. Fifth one, these are alpha carbons. There is alpha hydrogen as well as alpha hydrogen and ketone. Yes, what about this? Again alpha hydrogen, ketone. Seventh one, alpha hydrogen and aldehyde. Sorry. Yes, tell me. It is not aldehyde or ketone. Seventh one, so it is directly neglected. And ninth one, no alpha hydrogen, aldehyde. Yes. Now picture is clear that for aldol condensation we need those aldehydes or ketones having alpha hydrogen. So see, it is aldehyde, alpha hydrogen. That means second will undergo aldol. Then this will also undergo aldol because it has alpha hydrogen and ketone. Again alpha hydrogen and ketone, it will also undergo aldol. Alpha hydrogen and aldehyde undergo aldol. No alpha hydrogen and it is not aldehyde or ketone. So that means second one, fifth one, sixth and seventh, they will undergo aldol condensation, right? No alpha hydrogen and aldehyde can undergo Cannizzaro. No alpha hydrogen aldehyde can undergo Cannizzaro. No alpha hydrogen ketone, neither aldol nor Cannizzaro. Alpha hydrogen aldol, and this one again Cannizzaro, because no alpha hydrogen but aldehyde. But these two means sixth and eighth, they will not undergo neither aldehyde nor ketone, nor Cannizzaro. Okay, so let us write their products. First for aldol, first is 2-methyl pentanal. So for 2-methyl pentanal, the second one 2-methyl pentanal. So now in 2-methyl pentanal, it is like CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, C double bond O and H. right? So 2 moles in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide form the product. Okay, I will write the product and then I let you know how I will did that. Okay, CH3 first, write all this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3. Now this C double bond O, here addition takes place. This double bond O change into OH, this remains H, and rest of the part, this alpha hydrogen of the second molecule is removed, it becomes anion, and that is attached here. C, CH3, CHO, and CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, I will write its name. First I will do how I will write this, or you will write after in your exams. See, we have CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, C double bond OH. Write first molecule like this only, and second molecule, for the second molecule you should remove alpha hydrogen and write that carbon here in front of CHO, and rest of the part in the sides. See, this alpha hydrogen is removed. After removing this alpha hydrogen, this becomes anion, and in the anion, see, we have on one side CH3, on the other side CHO, and remaining hydrocarbon part, because we are removing only alpha hydrogen. So this carbon is attached to CH3, CHO, and CH2, CH3, right? Then this anion attack on the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule like this. So that means it acts as nucleophile and it will act as electrophile. So they react. See, this alpha hydrogen is removed and OH negative ion is attached, so water is formed in the reaction. So CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CO negative, so H, C, CHO, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, right? After getting this, the water will give H plus ion and OH negative ion is removed, which is used in the starting where anion is formed. So we get CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, COH, H, CH2, CH2, CH3. So this is the product formed. In this way, we will get the desired product. This is aldol product. Okay. After aldol, we should proceed further. But see, after getting this OH, H should be removed adjacent to CHO, but there is no H on the carbon. That's why further reaction does not take place. Okay, so this is the final product formed. Okay, so name of the product is, see, where I was wrong. COH. Okay, wait. Sorry. This part. CHO, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, right? Now, here CHO is present, so CHO should get higher priority, and that is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That means there are 7 carbon in the straight chain. And what is the name? See, 1 hydroxy left, methyl, again methyl, and propyl. So it is 3 hydroxy, 2, 4 dimethyl, 2 propyl, and heptanol. So this is the final product. 3 hydroxy, 2 4 dimethyl, 2 propyl, heptanol. Because CHO group is al, OH is hydroxy, at 2 4 there is methyl group, at 2 again there is a propyl group. So this is the final product formed in aldol reaction. Aldol condensation does not take place, only it stops at aldol. Okay, because for the removal of water, this alpha carbon should have another hydrogen. So there is no hydrogen on it, so further reaction does not take place. Now next one. Wait. Okay. So second one we have done. Now fifth one. It is cyclohexanone. So in cyclohexanone, cyclohexanone is like this. So cyclohexanone, see, there is alpha hydrogen, so 2 moles will react in the presence of dilute NaOH. So product formed is OH and it is like this. How do I know that this is the product form? See, I kept in mind that first I have cyclohexanone, then I should remove alpha hydrogen to form anion, and this anion will attack here. So O negative, done. Say this, to form this anion, OH negative ion will attack. So alpha hydrogen is removed from here and leads to the formation of this product along with water. Okay, so this is the product formed, or you can write it as, or then from water H plus ion is used OH like this. Done. So what is the name of this product? Can you tell me? Name, or you can write it as can I write like this? Why not? Yes, we can write it as. Now CO is of higher priority than OH, so it will be the parent chain. So 1 and 2. At position 2 there is at position 2 there is cyclohexyl and OH. So side chain 1, at one position only both the groups are present. So at position 2 we write in brackets 1 cyclohexyl, sorry, 1 at position 2 1 cyclohexyl, 1 hydroxy, that is in bracket, and then cyclohexanone. Cyclohexane 1 only you can write, or cyclohexanone simply, but better to write cyclohexane 1 on. So it is 2 1 cyclohexyl, 1 hydroxy, and then cyclohexane 1 on. Done. So this is the product formed during aldol reaction. Next, this is fifth one. Now, okay, this one, that is 1-phenyl propanone. 1-phenyl propanone, sixth one. One phenyl propanone. This is 1-phenyl propanone. Now 1-phenyl propanone, 2 moles of 1-phenyl propanone when treated with dilute हे भगवान with dilute NaOH, then tell me what happened. Say this part you can write like this. This O becomes OH, CH2, CH3, and rest CH, because alpha hydrogen should attack. So CH3, CO, and benzene ring. Okay, so this is the product formed. Say 1, 2, 3. Because CO is the functional group, so it should get number lowest number. So CO will get number 1, 2, and 3. So there is a hydroxy group, there is ethyl group, there is methyl group, and there are phenyl groups. So let's write its IUPAC name. Can you try once. Ethyl, methyl, hydroxy, and phenyl. So first we will write ethyl, alphabetical order. 3 ethyl, 3 hydroxy, 2 methyl, and 1,3 diphenyl propane on. So propane 1 on, or simply write propane non. Okay, so 3 ethyl 2 sorry, it's not like that actually. It can be extended further. 3, it is 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 carbon atom chain. So you can write now, it is 3 hydroxy, 2 methyl, 1,3 diphenyl propanone or propane 1 on. Propane 1 on. So how can we proceed? Just write first compound like this. After writing this, in second compound, alpha hydrogen should be removed. I think you can understand now that this will attack here. Only you should remove alpha hydrogen. That is the main point. And then O negative, CH2, CH3, CH, CH3, C double bond O, and phenyl ring. And then from water, H plus ion is attached and we get this product. Done? Okay, next one. Okay, sorry. So now, 7th one, that is phenyl acetaldehyde. This is phenyl acetaldehyde, 2 moles of phenyl acetaldehyde in the presence of dilute NaOH to give CH2, COH, H, CH, phenyl group and CH. This is the product formed. How it is formed, I think there is no need to tell you now, but let's do it together. First of all, we will write first compound like this. and second compound, just identify the alpha carbon and remove the alpha hydrogen and form anion, phenyl and CHO. For this you can write CHO. It should be written as C double bond O and H. Okay. Then in the presence of dilute NaOH, first of all, this pi electron transfer towards oxygen. This lone pair will attack on the carbonyl carbon. So O negative, H, CH, phenyl, CHO. And then from water, OH, O negative is attached to H plus, and we get the final product. OH negative ion used earlier is removed. So this is the product formed, right? So what is the name of this product? Obviously CHO will get lowest number, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now what is its name? It is 3 hydroxy 2,4 diphenyl butanol. 3 hydroxy 2,4 diphenyl butanol. Okay, so these are the aldol reactions. Now let us focus on Cannizzaro. So say 7th, 6th, 5th and 2nd, they will undergo aldol reaction, okay, or aldol condensation. Means if water is removed further, it is called aldol condensation. Now next is Cannizzaro. So Cannizzaro, third one, that is benzaldehyde, first one, that is formaldehyde, and 9th one, that is 2,2-dimethyl butanol. They will undergo Cannizzaro reaction. And in Cannizzaro reaction, first methanol, second, that is formaldehyde, second is benzaldehyde, and third one is 2,2-dimethyl butanol. So they means 2 molecules of formaldehyde or 2 molecules of benzaldehyde or 2 molecules of 2,2-dimethyl butanol. All of them do not have alpha hydrogen. So in the presence of concentrated NaOH, they will undergo Cannizzaro reaction, means undergo disproportionation, in which one of the molecule like this C, it becomes OH, means the reduction takes place, and another molecule oxidation takes place, and we get sodium salt. Okay, so methanol means methyl alcohol, and sodium methanoate means methanol and sodium methanoate is the product formed. Wait for some time, please. एक मिनट. Now second one, again one is reduced, other is oxidized. One molecule is reduced, other molecule is oxidized, means disproportionation reaction takes place. So we get benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. Benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. So it is first one and then it is fifth one, right? And last is ninth one. Is it ninth? Yes. First, okay, first and third, right? Wait, first and benzaldehyde is third. So first, third, okay, first, third, and ninth. So it is CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2OH, and CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, COONA. Okay, so its name is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 2 dimethyl and butane 1-ol, or this one 2, 2 dimethyl, okay, means sodium salt, no? Sodium 2, 2 dimethyl and butane butanoate. Okay, okay, now we left with 2, that is butane 1-ol. Butane 1-ol, it is neither aldehyde nor ketone, so it will not undergo any of the reaction. And second one was benzo, that is fourth and eighth. This is fourth, sorry, 8th butane 1-ol and benzophenone. It has no alpha hydrogen and it is a ketone, so benzophenone will also, these two will not undergo aldol or Cannizzaro reaction. So this is all about 12.7. Yes, 12.7 question. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.